Adobe Stock has hundreds of musical soundtracks and sound effects that you can bring into your story. This also involves selecting the Media tool, but then activating the Audio tab.
Note the Record VoiceOver button in case you want to add a separate voiceover track.
If you clear your search, you will see a wide range of audio categories such as sound effects, acoustic music, background music, blues, brass, classical, and a range of other musical genres. When you have selected the category of audio that you would like to use, click the View All option within that category and select the Play button to preview the sound.
Note that if you select outside the Play button, the sound will be added to the scene. If you do this by mistake, you can always click the Undo arrow at the top, or Control or Command Z on your keyboard.
When you have selected the audio that you want to use, I recommend that you turn the volume down so that it doesn't override the dialogue from your character.